Monique's channel.
No!
Bonjour Bella.
Bonjour Bella!
Bonjour
Hello
Bella.
beautiful. Bonjour Bella! Hello beautiful. Welcome to our channel. Today I have Demetrio as my special guest.
No, that's as an assistant, not a special guest.
Okay. So we will be cooking something, and what are we making?
Simple Korean beef.
Yes.
Ground beef.
So we're gonna do a Korean ground beef with rice and fried egg. For the ingredients, we will need a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. We don't have fresh ginger right now. Manitoba is going into a lockdown, so all the grocery stores are full. I didn't want to go, so we're just gonna do ground ginger for today. But otherwise, fresh ginger is the best option. 3 to 4 cloves of garlic that you're gonna mince. 1/3 cup brown sugar. A pound of ground beef. It has to be the lean ground beef. A 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce or light soy sauce. A tablespoon of sesame oil. 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. And some green onions that are sliced to go as toppings. And then later we're gonna fry a couple eggs and then some rice. Okay, so let's begin. What's the first step?
First step is to wash your hands.
Okay.
Even in the hospital, first step is wash your hands. You have to
Wash your hands and then...
You have to mince the garlic.
Okay. I don't like chopping ingredients, so he usually does it. If the recipe calls for minced garlic, I'm just gonna use the minced garlic that I have in a bottle.
That's not good. I don't like that.
So picky. Oh my gosh. So why did you decide to make this?
What do you mean I decide? I don't know about deciding.
Okay, actually, I will be efficient.
You can start, because what I like with the ground beef, you would brown it,
Brown it.
and then you're gonna remove the excess
Fat?
oil. Yeah, the fat.
I'm gonna
Or
start
gusto mo
by
ba-
frying this one. Okay, what's the next step?
Well, start cutting the green onion. And you have to keep breaking it, otherwise it's gonna be chunks.
I will. Hold on.
So next step, you have to mix the brown sugar. How many cups of soy sauce again?
It's there on the paper.
It says 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup. Are you sure it's only 1/4 cup?
That's what it says.
I don't
told
think
you
so.
madami yung sugar.
I don't think so.
Yes, yun yung sabi.
I don't think so. I think that's half cup.
Han, ang dami kaya. Tignan mo yung beef natin. Onti lang.
Hindi, marami yan.
Oh my god, it's gonna be so salty.
No. And then once you mix the soy sauce, you have to mix sesame oil. How many sesame oil? I know it's like 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon.
That's a big difference. 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon has 10 ml difference.
It says 1 tablespoon. I'm done here.
This is the ground beef. Smells good.
Breaking it.
I am
I'll
breaking
tell
it.
you how to break it. Like, come on.
You're like chopping it.
Once the ground beef is brown, what we like to do is we like take off yung excess oil from the ground beef. gonna have to grab a spoon.
Teaspoon yan eh.
Doesn't matter.
Bukas ka pa matatapos.
Tatanggal namin yung oil para hindi siya ganun pa-greasy when you're eating the Korean beef. At the same time, you don't want all the oil out para yung flavor niya hindi mawawala.
Wow! May explanation pa siya.
Of course, like come on.
Then when do you put the garlic?
You're just gonna saute the garlic in the middle.
I'm your sous chef this time.
Your sous chef. That smells good.
So if this one is 1/4 teaspoon.
Okay, grab a teaspoon and just sprinkle all over. Smells like ginger.
Is it? Or shall I add more?
Maybe a 1/4 more.
So that's not a 1/4 teaspoon, it's like a 1/2 teaspoon. That's what we added.
Smells good. I'm pretty sure it's half a soy sauce.
No,
Trust
yun yung
me,
nasa recipe.
a third sugar and a half
Hindi
soy
nga
sauce.
1/3 eh. It's more than 1/3.
Trust me.
Guys, siya kasi yung pag nagluluto, tansya-tansya lang. Doesn't really know the exact measurement. So even when there's a recipe, it's still like not following.
So you'll use half a teaspoon.
It's
just
not
mix it
half a
here.
teaspoon! That's 1 teaspoon! Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so spicy.
No, it's not. So mix everything in a bowl. You mix the soy sauce, the sugar, the sesame oil, and the chili flakes. It smells good. And then mix. And then when you're putting it, don't pour all the sauce. Put a bit and then see. Normally it would turn brown, darker brown. And that, maybe a little more.
See? And then you have so much extra.
Oh, come on. Pinoy likes extra. Like extra rice.
We can reserve this for the next time we make it.
Next, this is done. What do you mean, what's next?
How about the eggs?
Eggs, you're just gonna fry the eggs, like, come on.
Aren't you gonna put sesame seeds?
Sesame seeds would be on top once it's done. It's just a topping.
Where's the pan to fry the egg? Where did you put it?
Put it at the bottom. Good. Right amount of sweet, right amount of salt, right amount of...
But what's the proportion? Because you didn't measure it.
It's very good.
We have a recipe that he didn't follow.
I don't normally follow recipes, so...
Oh my gosh, that smells so good.
It is good.
That's done.
Yep. Easy, in 15 minutes.
So we have more sauce. We can use this for the next time we make this one. Now we need to make the eggs.
You can make the eggs, like, come on. Do you need a chef to make the eggs?
So now the pan is hot. I'm gonna put some oil. A little bit of oil. I already made rice this morning, so I'm just gonna reheat this in the microwave. I'm just gonna use the same one para hindi so that Demetrio won't have to wash a lot of dishes. Steaming hot white rice. And then I'm just gonna put some beef on top of the rice. Okay, so the egg is now done. That is sunny side up eggs. So this is the easy 15-minute Korean beef rice bowl with egg. Yep, that looks yummy, doesn't it? Here's the other plate. So I just put the rice at the bottom, beef on top. I sprinkled some spring onions and sesame seeds and then topped it with sunny side up egg. We like the yolk runny, that's why we cook it like that. Alright, so now we're ready to have some dinner. Thank you for making the Korean beef.
What do you think?
Yep. So good. It's the perfect recipe. It's good.
Very easy to make.
Ingredients are something that you actually probably have already in your pantry. So easy to make. It just takes like actually 15 minutes. Yeah. So it's very, very easy.
We used to normally eat this with quinoa.
We didn't even need to add like salt and pepper because it's already very flavorful on its own. So this is actually a good meal prep or lunch idea too, because you can make the rice beforehand. You can make the meat beforehand, right? And then
Don't
you
make
just...
meat. What are you?
No, I mean you can prepare the Korean beef beforehand, and then you can put them in containers, right? So you just put a layer of rice, you put a layer of ground beef, and then in the morning before you go to work, that's when you fry the egg, and then you're good to go. Lunch is solved. Very easy, delicious, and healthy. We finished our dinner and we hope that you enjoyed this new recipe, especially from Dodong's kitchen. Okay, so thanks for watching and we do hope that you enjoyed this video.
Try it out. Try the Korean ground beef.
Yeah.
It's very easy.
If you like this video, please give this a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please make sure that you click the subscribe button with the notification bell all so that you will always be updated with every new post that we have. So, that's it. Bye for now. See you in the next vlog.